Good morning, class. Today we will in chapter 8 comparing quantities. First of all, we will discuss ratio and percentage. Ratio means comparison. For example, I am having number of oranges 5, number of apples 20. So ratio of number of oranges to number of apples, what? 5:20. What you have noted? Oranges पहले बोला है मैंने, then I write number of oranges first. Apples at second number in the sentence, so number of apples here, number of oranges, number of apple, and these two dots we read it ratio or is to 5:20 or 5:20, and in fraction we can write it 5/20 means 1/4, and we will read it as 1/4. न्यूमिनेटर में क्या है? नंबर ऑफ ऑरेंजेस. डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है? नंबर ऑफ एप्पल. सो वी विल रीड इट एज नंबर ऑफ oranges are 1/4 of number of apples. Clear? ऑरेंजेस रेशो एप्पल्स मींस पहले हमने ऑरेंजेस लिखना है, फिर एप्पल्स लिखना है, और फ्रैक्शन में 5/20 1/4. इफ इट इज 1/4, so we will read it as number of oranges are 1/4 of the number of apples. अगर ये इससे उल्टा होता like this, ratio of number of apples to number of oranges, तब हम क्या लिखते? नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स हमारे पास है 20, ऑरेंजेस है 5, सो रेशो आ जाती 20:5, और इन फ्रैक्शन 20/5 मीन्स 4/1. 5 4 जा 20 and 1, it is 4/1. Apples ratio oranges 20:5, so 4/1, and now we will read it as apples न्यूमिनेटर में है, oranges डिनोमिनेटर में है, so number of apples are what? 4 times of number of oranges. Clear? 20:5 means apple ratio oranges, so it is 4/1, so number of apples are 4 times of number of oranges. Now we will learn how to compare in term of percentage. We have compared already in term of ratio. Now we will learn how to compare in term of percentage. Oranges 5, apples 20, total fruits 20 plus 5 25. Clear? 5 oranges, 20 apple, total fruit 25. So how we will find percentage of oranges? Percentage of orange means number of oranges divided by total fruits multiplied by 100. So number of oranges 5, total fruits 25, multiply 100, so it is 20%. And if we have to find the percentage of apples, so how we will find percentage of apples? Percentage of apples, number of apples 20, divided by total fruits 25 multiplied by 100. So it will be 25 for the 100, 80%. Clear? So in term of percentage, how we have compared it? 20% oranges, 80% apple. और in term of ratio they were 1:4. और इसकी भी जब आप रेशो निकालेंगे 20/80, 1:4 ही आएगा. Clear? Now we will start exercise 8.1. In exercise 8.1, question number 1, find the ratio. You have to find the ratio. Suppose I am taking only one example, all other will you solve. I have to find the ratio of two quantities. Suppose I have taken 5 meter to 10 kilometer. I have to find the ratio. If you have to find the ratio, you have to compare two things. सबसे पहले आपको यूनिट सेम बनाने हैं. It is meter, it is in kilometer. You have to make the unit same. Unit same होगी हम तभी comparison कर पाएंगे. Clear? So 5 meter ratio symbol, 10 kilometer in 1 kilometer. How many meter? 1000. So it is 10 into 1000 meter. Meter cancel with meter. 5:10,000. So it is 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 2000. The answer is 1:2000. In similar way you can find the ratio, but remember the unit should be same. Now question number second. In question number second, you have to compare, you have to represent, suppose it is 3/4 and you have to write it in percentage. 3:4. You have to write in percentage. Then how you will write? 3:4. Students, suppose it is whole. I divided it into 4 parts. And out of 4, it's a chocolate. I ate 3/4. This is 3/4. Clear? जो मैंने खाया और जो पूरा चॉकलेट है वो है 3:4. Out of 4 I ate 3 parts. Then how I will convert it into percent? Percent means whole. 3/4 of which 1? 1 means whole. 100%. 3/4 of 100%. So 3/4 into 100. 425 ja 100. It's 75%. So easily I convert 3:4 into percentage. Again listen. 3:4 means ये आपकी एक चॉकलेट है. मैंने इस चॉकलेट में से 3 पार्ट खा लिए. टोटल पार्ट 4 किए थे. तो आउट ऑफ 4 I ate 3. 3/4 of what? Whole. Whole means 100%. So 3/4 of whole is 75%. And similar way, if you have to convert 2:3 to percentage, then how you will convert? 2/3 into 100. Multiply simply by 100. So it's 200/3 means 3 6 ja 18, 2 3 6 ja 18, 2 66 and 2/3%. जब आपको फ्रैक्शन को परसेंट में चेंज करना है, सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई इट विद 100. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. In question number 3 in NCERT book is 72% of 25 students are good in maths. Total students are how many? Total students 25. Good in maths 72%. You have to find the number of students not good in maths. So, but you know the percentage. So first of all, not good in maths. हाउ मच? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपको इस तरह से नहीं बता रही हूं. लेट डू द अनदर वे. गुड इन मैथ 72%. 72% of which 25. So 25 4 जा 100, 4 1 जा 4, 3 4 8 जा 18 students are good in maths. 18 students are good in maths. Now you can easily find not good in maths. 25 total है, 18 good in maths. Then how many are not good in maths? 7. पहले मैं इस स्टेप पे क्या करवा रही थी आपको? इन दिस वे, लाइक गुड इन मैथ 72, not good you can find in this way. Not good 100 minus 72, how much? 10 minus 2 8, 9 minus 7 2, 28% not good in maths. Then find 28% of 25, so 7. तब भी आपका वही आता आंसर, not good in math. So you can opt any way, this way or this way, which you find easy. What is the difference here? I have good in maths, then I find in number good in maths. Then not good in maths means total students minus good in maths that are not good in maths. But here what I did, I find the percentage of not good in maths. Then they are 28% because 72% good. Then 100 minus 72, 28% not good. Then find the 28% of 25. You can opt anyway.